Okay, Kalina, what are we doing today?
Today we're making donuts.
Alright, let's see what we got. Kalina, you have a lot of snacks. This one. What does this say? So this is by Kracie. It's a little donut kit where you make your own donuts. Some sort of dough. Frosting on top. It's pretty complicated. Look at this.
So we have orange, purple, red, and brown, and red, and yellow, and blue.
Oh, what is she doing? What is this? Little shapes?
Yeah.
There's 3.
Alright. Oh, so we had to cut these out.
This is donut seat, and this is ears and nose for bear, and this is
Bear. Cocoa. This feels like little toppings. This is sauce.
Chocolate
chocolate sauce. And here's some more little glitter toppings. Custard. Vanilla sauce. Strawberry sauce. So here's our mixing tray to mix our ingredients. Here's our little donut press.
Dry hair.
We need more. And 2, 3. Yeah, we done?
Yeah, dry hair. Now we're gonna make chocolate.
And 3. Let's go.
Okay, Kalina. You wanna use a hand?
Okay, now slow the ball. How about this? Chocolate.
Where's them things? Mush it. This side.
Smooth it, smooth it, smooth it, smooth it.
Okay.
It's gonna be hard.
Okay, cute. Can you do same things here? There you go.
Okay, woo!
Okay, now
Now,
we're gonna make sauce. This is a chocolate sauce. Can you put the inside the top of that? Inside here, yeah. Just the one water.
it's dripping. It's still dripping, Daddy. Be hard. It's white and strawberry. Okay.
Is that good? Strawberry? Can you put this one to this side? There you go.
One.
Okay, now we're gonna
Let me
decorate.
clean the spoon.
Luca, you want mommy to make a bear for you?
I'm
Yes.
not eating this. Also, you can make it
I
duck.
know.
Let me clean this up. This wall up too. It's just strawberry. No.
Okay, you can do this. What are these?
Okay, that's enough now.
That's a beautiful pink donut.
Now me and this.
And
Oh, see. It's cooking.
okay, bear.
Ooh. I did it.
Oh, it's good.
They put so many in. Oh my gosh, this is bad.
Yay! Kind of close to this.
Yeah, look at we did it. It's perfect.
We tried.
Want your bear? Okay.
Okay, this is for you.
I'm gonna try this.
Sure.
Yummy. Yummy, Luca? Make the chocolate one. You want to eat that one? Can Luca have the last one?
Well,
good?
put this in.
Okay, gonna put a little more faster than you can have the last one, Luca, okay? A little more sprinkles. Okay,
There you
Luca.
go.
Yummy? What are you doing, Kalina? Did you like it? Hey! What about you, Luca?
I did.
What a crazy girl. Oh, Luca's gonna do the big jump. Whoa, sugar time. Sugar time. Okay, bye-bye.